Project Hail Mary just exploded into theaters starring Ryan Gosling. It is a massive science fiction blockbuster about a lone astronaut racing to save Earth with help from an alien friend. But here is the shocking truth most people do not know. This movie was not made with artificial intelligence at all. In fact, it perfectly shows why we still cannot create a full-length artificial intelligence movie in 2026. Here is how Project Hail Mary was really made. The directors built the entire spaceship as a giant practical set. No green screens were used anywhere. Ryan Gosling and the cast performed on real physical sets with real lighting and real props. For the alien character Rocky, the team used a full physical puppet operated by a crew of puppeteers right on set. Later, the visual effects studios Framestore and Industrial Light and Magic added stunning computer-generated shots for the space scenes. Over 2,000 visual effects shots were carefully blended with all the practical work. Now, let us talk about the current reality of artificial intelligence video in 2026. Tools like Sora 2, Veo 3.1, and Kling 3.0 can create incredible short clips. You can get stunning 5 to 20 second scenes or even 1 to 2 minute sequences from a single detailed prompt. The motion, lighting, and camera work can look absolutely cinematic. But when you try to make a full 90-minute movie, artificial intelligence still falls apart. Characters suddenly change their face or clothes. Lighting jumps around. The story loses logic and emotional power fades. The artificial intelligence simply cannot keep everything consistent across hundreds of shots. Even the best all-in-one platforms still need human help. You have to break the story into scenes, fix drifting details, stitch clips together, and make the final creative decisions. A true one-prompt, full-length movie with zero editing is still not possible today. The crazy part is, this is not mainly a hardware problem. Computers are powerful enough. The real issue is that artificial intelligence does not yet have strong enough long-term memory or deep narrative understanding to hold an entire movie together. The good news is, artificial intelligence is getting better extremely fast. It already speeds up concept art, visual effects, and short-form content. Hybrid workflows that mix artificial intelligence with human direction are becoming more powerful every month. This is exactly why the AI Movie Lab exists. We run real hands-free experiments with the latest tools. We show honest one-prompt tests and long-form attempts so you can see exactly what works and what still breaks in 2026. So tell me in the comments, do you think we will see a real full-length artificial intelligence-generated feature film with almost no human editing in 2027? Drop your prediction below and subscribe for more exciting artificial intelligence video lab tests every single week.